everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest products to enhance your home. Today, we're going to be talking about something that might seem simple, but can actually be quite tricky: installing a kitchen faucet. It's a task that many people take on themselves, and while it's certainly doable, there are a few common mistakes that can make the process a lot more frustrating than it needs to be. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest home improvement tips. Let's get started. So, if you're planning on installing a new kitchen faucet yourself, be sure to watch this video first. We'll go over 5 of the most common mistakes to avoid, so you can get the job done right the first time. Choosing the wrong faucet size. Mistake number 1 is a classic: choosing the wrong faucet size. Before you even think about installing your new faucet, make sure it fits your sink. Measure the distance between the mounting holes in your sink to ensure a perfect match. Going too big or too small can lead to leaks, instability, and an overall unappealing look. So, always measure twice and buy once. Neglecting the installation manual. Default text. Your second mistake is a bit of a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many people overlook it. Neglecting the installation manual. I get it. We all like to think we're DIY wizards, but every faucet is unique. Take the time to read the installation manual thoroughly. It contains crucial information about the specific requirements and steps for your faucet model. Skipping this step can result in misalignments, leaks, and a whole lot of frustration. Forgetting to shut off the water supply. Now, on to mistake number 3: forgetting to shut off the water supply. This might seem obvious, but you be surprised how many people dive into faucet installation without turning off the water. Trust me, you don't want to create a mini indoor waterfall in your kitchen. Locate the shutoff valves under the sink, turn them clockwise, and double-check that the water is completely off before you start the installation. Over-tightening connections. Mistake number 4 is a common one: over-tightening connections. While you want to ensure a snug fit, over-tightening can lead to damaged seals and stripped threads. Hand-tighten the connections, and then give them a gentle quarter turn with a wrench. This should be enough to create a secure seal without risking any damage. Remember, less is often more when it comes to tightening those nuts and bolts. Ignoring the quality of seals and gaskets. Last but not least, our 5th mistake: ignoring the quality of seals and gaskets. These small components play a big role in preventing leaks. Always inspect the seals and gaskets that come with your faucet. If they seem flimsy or worn, consider investing in high-quality replacements. It's a small investment that can save you from a major headache down the line. Let's go over some additional tips and troubleshooting that can make your kitchen faucet installation even smoother. Assembling parts before installation. One helpful tip is to assemble as many parts as you can before installation. This includes attaching the handles, spout, and any other components. It makes the installation process more manageable and ensures you have all the necessary parts ready. Checking for leaks during installation. During the installation process, periodically check for leaks. Tighten connections gradually, and don't wait until the very end to test for leaks. Doing so allows you to catch and address any issues before everything is fully assembled. Dealing with persistent leaks. If you encounter persistent leaks, don't panic. Turn off the water supply, disassemble the faucet, and inspect the seals and connections. Replace any damaged components and reassemble, making sure everything is snug, but not over-tightened. Upgrading to a quality supply line. Consider upgrading to a quality supply line. The supply lines that come with faucets are often basic. Upgrading to braided stainless steel lines can enhance durability and reduce the risk of leaks. If you're experiencing uneven water flow, it could be due to debris in the aerator. Remove the aerator, clean out any sediment, and reattach it. This simple step can significantly improve water flow. So, there you have it. 5 common mistakes to avoid when installing a kitchen faucet. By following these tips, you can save yourself a lot of time and frustration, and make sure that your new faucet is installed correctly and leak-free. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful DIY tips and tricks. And if you have any questions about installing a kitchen faucet, feel free to leave a comment below. I would also like to add that it is always a good idea to consult a professional plumber if you are not comfortable installing a kitchen faucet yourself. They will have the experience and expertise to get the job done right, and they can also help you troubleshoot any problems you may encounter. Thanks again for watching.